Yeah, good day. What's up? What's up? How's it, everyone? This is Lenas Kamieta, your most influential entrepreneur. Yeah, so I'm here at the Fasi, Splomnet. Oh, it's droog. So this is a dry Fasi. Groot plus Javis. You're not a plus Javi. Oh, okay. I'm just trying to make joke. And yeah, so I just want to share what I really like farms, especially during December and stuff like that. It's always a relieving thing to just go to the farm, and especially after so much hustle and struggle and to get to where we want to get in life. Yeah, so I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and it's not over until you give up. Yeah, so if you don't give up, it's not over. You should keep pushing and stuff like that. Man. Let me show you around. It's droog. It's a dry area, man. It's just quiet. Man. Okay, this is the spot, man. This is the spot. Sooner or later, obviously, there's gonna be pools and stuff. Because we gotta keep balling and stuff. So we're gonna get pools and stuff going on here, and as soon as we get business running and stuff, as soon as we get ideas deployed and youth, beautiful people using it, you know, we gonna get a day in life. We just have to keep pushing. We just have to keep grinding. It ain't over until you give up, man. It ain't over until you give up. So